In this video we're going to be looking at the Schengen Calculator, the one I personally like to use, how to use it and how it affects our travel plans. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Andrew, my wife's name is Lorraine, and we are collectively known as the Roaming Vidlers. So if you enjoy my travel vlogs and videos, then please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, checking the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So do we really need to worry about the Schengen Calculator? If you're only hopping into Europe for a few weeks a year and that's your annual vacation, then you don't need to worry about Schengen rules and Schengen calculators because you're not going to fall foul of any rules. However, if you have one of these, a motorhome, and you like spending long periods in Europe and you're hopping in and out of Schengen zones, then you need to use the calculator so you don't fall foul of the rule. If you do fall foul of the rule, it could be a very expensive error for you. So let's take a close look at that calculator. So this is the Schengen Calculator that I personally use. It's from the European Commission. I'll put a link in the description below. So click on the calculator. As you can see in the top left, the dates appear, defaults to today's date. These fields on the left are for previous days, as it says there, and there's obviously nothing in the middle. So if we hit calculate, you can see that obviously because we're not being in a Schengen zone, on the left we'd have no other dates there. Our stay is authorised for up to 90 days. Now keep an eye on these two dates here. So if you count back from this date 90 days, you'll come to the 29th of the 6th. You count back again from that date, you'll get to the 31st of the 3rd, 23. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to enter the dates that we entered the Schengen zone this year. So we entered France on the 12th of April 23, and we returned to England on the 30th of June 23. So if we now hit the calculate button, we can see these dates at the top haven't changed. However, we're only authorised for up to 10 days because we are still within that 180 day period. So we spent 80 days in Europe and we have 10 days left. So what I'm going to do now is change this date at the top, the entry date, to the 29th. Now this is the date we're travelling this week. So I hit the calculate button. You can see these dates have changed, so we've rolled forward and we're entitled to 90 days. Now, a thing to be very careful of, if I just change that to the 28th, 24 hours, we're back to 10 days. Very easy to make a mistake and find yourself in trouble for the sake of 24 hours. So now we've taken a close look at that calculator. I think you can see that a mistake, an error, even 24 hours, can have a massive difference on the authorization time you're allowed in a Schengen zone. So as you may have gathered, we're off on Friday down to France. We're traveling down to the Alsace region, not far from Strasbourg and the Swiss border, hoping to catch some late summer, early autumn sunshine. So if you'd like to follow us on our latest trip, don't forget to check the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Safe travels, see you soon.